After every menstrual cycle, if a female is healthy, a lot of hormones are being generated like FSH, that is follicle stimulating hormone, and LH, that is luteinizing hormone. A lot of follicles are being generated, and at the right time of ovulation, the follicle ruptures and the egg is being released. And if at the time of ovulation it meets with sperm, a female gets pregnant. But what's happening these days, because of the faulty and very unhealthy lifestyle, 1 out of 5 females are suffering with PCOS, or what we say PCOD these days. That the follicles are being generated, but the egg is not being ruptured, or the follicles are taking a shape of a cyst, and gradually the ovaries are being filled with those cysts, and that makes very difficult for a girl to get pregnant. So lifestyle is one thing that one needs to be taken care of, because what happens in most of the cases with PCOS, the follicles do not rupture and egg is not being produced, or if it's being produced, so it's stuck and it does not come out to the tubes, to the fallopian tubes. So it makes it very difficult for a lady to get pregnant. In case of PCOS, everyone is not there to move the right way, that correcting the lifestyle with exercise and diet. Instead, they go for some hormones or some injections, that the follicles are being ruptured and they become pregnant. But then it's really very difficult with PCOS to carry on with pregnancy, because generally in 8 to 10 weeks, it is being found in most of the cases that there is no heartbeat in the child. So it leads to abortion, which is really very heartbreaking for a mother. So either heartbeat is not there, or otherwise, like in first trimester itself, the miscarriage happens. So I suggest you guys to be prepared, to be fit enough to get pregnant. PCOS generally induces insulin resistance. So because of insulin resistance, there are a lot of chances of getting diabetes. Diabetes is again a lifestyle disease, and it takes a lot of complications to one's life. So in the future, the diabetes stick with you for the whole of the life. So again, I am reminding you that get PCOS cured before getting pregnant. And with PCOS or PCOD, generally what happens, most of the females are generally overweight. So if everything goes fine, the miscarriage does not happen, the heartbeat is also there, but still because of being overweight, a lot of complications in the second trimester arises, like lower back pain, like knee pains, like letharginess, and a lot of complication, joint pains and such things happen. It can be said that stress induces PCOS and is vice versa. That because of PCOS also a lot of stress is being generated. And stress is such thing that it takes a lot of lifestyle diseases with it, like high blood pressure, diabetes, asthma, joint pains, even hypothyroid. And if you go with the physiology and anatomy of stress, so it creates largely an imbalance between the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So it works really negative on your heart, on your brain, on your eyes, at your digestion, at your skin, and several complications are being generated if stress is not leaving you, or I should say you are not able to manage the stress. So stress is one thing that yoga really helps you to overcome, or makes you it makes you able to manage the stress properly. So what kind of complications are being there? That you are pregnant with PCOS, that you can be overweight, that you can have stress, that there are chances of miscarriage or abortion, or a lot of complications, because there is no space because of the cyst to like for a child to grow naturally and normally. So I suggest you people that practice exercise and strict diet before you are planning for a baby. Give yourself some time, like 6 to 8 months. Practice yoga and exercises really in a well planned manner and very regular with discipline. Do hard work, follow a very strict diet. Strict diet does not mean that I'm asking you to being hungry or something. Just you need to eat right. Just avoid a few junk food. Some dietary supplements are needed. You should be avoiding bakery products, soft drinks, alcohol, smoking, and such things. I have made a lot of videos on that. You can see all those exercise and diet videos in my PCOD playlist. It is there at the I button. So follow those first. Come out clear with PCOS or PCOD. Come out clear with the cyst. Regularize your periods, and then go for pregnancy. That will be a very healthy one. I can assure you that. So, with the belief that you'll follow all these things, I wish you all the best. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, and also remember to press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my new and upcoming videos. Thank you so much.